Palestine warns of religious war over Al-Aqsa's status. Israel carries out air strikes in Gaza after rocket fire. Russian air strikes kill 13 civilians in Idlib, Syria. Around 124,000 Syrians displaced during Eid al-Adha. Somalia air strike kills 21 Al-Shabaab militants. Floods in Sudan kills 46. Rohingya refugee children desire to learn, UNICEF. US President and Pakistani Premier discuss Kashmir. UN Security Council holds meeting to discuss Kashmir. India suspends another train service to Pakistan. India hints revising no first use nuclear policy. Restrictions in Kashmir to be eased gradually, official.